Today we're going to be talking about the Trooper Steve Hood Act, 637103. This is the Nitrous Oxide Prohibition Act. The use of nitrous oxide in motor vehicle or motorcycle driven on streets or highways prohibited. This section shall be known and may be cited as the Trooper Steve Hood Act, the Nitrous Oxide Prohibition Act. Section 2. For the purpose of this section, A, motor vehicle has the same meaning as described in section 2719.3. However, the term motor vehicle does not include any vehicle with a gross vehicle or combination weight greater than 10,000 pounds. Motorcycle has the meaning described in section 2719.3. Nitrous oxide means a gas or liquid form of nitrous oxide that is used to increase the speed or performance of a motor vehicle or motorcycle. If you're not familiar, nitrous oxide is something that you commonly use in racing, street or highway. It means the entire width between property lines of every way or place or whatever nature when any part of thereof is open to the use of the public as a matter of right for purpose of vehicular traffic. 3A. A person shall not operate on a street or highway a motor vehicle or motorcycle that is equipped to supply the engine with nitrous oxide unless the nitrous oxide supply system is made inoperable by the means of disconnecting the nitrous oxide feed line from the engine or removing the nitrous oxide canister from the motor vehicle or motorcycle. If you're going to have a street legal vehicle that is going to be racing it, if you're going to put nitrous oxide on it, you're going to have a way to disconnect the bottle when you're on public streets. If the bottle's still connected, even if the valve's off, it's still going to be in violation of this section. No fine or imprisonment shall be imposed against the operator of a violation of this section unless at the same time the operator was charged with some other offense under Title 63 Mississippi Code 1972 and he is convicted on both offenses. Title 63 is called Rules of the Road. That governs everything as far as traffic, your commercial vehicle, everything. 3B, a person convicted for the first offense of violating the subsection shall be fined not less than $250 or more than $1,000. Imprisoned for not more than 48 hours or both. All right, for a second conviction of any person violating this subsection, the offense being committed within a period of 5 years. For a second conviction of any person violating this subsection, the offense being committed within a period of 5 years, the person shall be fined not less than $600, not more than $1,500. Shall be imprisoned not less than 5 days, nor more than 1 year, and shall be sentenced to community service work for not less than 10 days, nor more than 1 year. Okay, subsection D. For a third or subsequent conviction of any person violating this subsection, the offense being committed within a period of 5 years, the person shall be guilty of a felony and fined not less than $2,000 nor more than $5,000 and shall serve not less than 1 year nor more than 5 years in the custody of the Department of Corrections. However, for any such offense that does not result in serious injury or death to any person, the sentence of incarceration may be served in the county jail at the direction of the circuit court judge. After a conviction under this subsection and upon receipt of the court abstract, the Commissioner of Public Safety shall suspend the driver's license and driving privileges of the person for not less than 5 years. After a conviction under this subsection, the law enforcement agency shall seize the vehicle owned by any person convicted of a third or subsequent violation of this subsection. If the convicted person was driving the vehicle at the time of the offense was committed, the vehicle may be forfeited in the manner provided by section 631149 and 631153. Break that down just a second. Your first offense, you have to be charged with this plus any other driving offense, whether it's speed, anything that falls under Title 63, which would be under the traffic laws section. Click the card up above. That is going to be your traffic laws. As I go, there'll be more videos up there. Click them, go through them. Once you get to the third one, within 5 years, you're going to be in a felony. Then your vehicle is going to be seized. This act is known as the Trooper Hood Act, because Master Sergeant Steve Hood was on patrol one night on Mississippi 370 near the Prentice-Lee County line in northeast Mississippi. Trans Am driven by Will Francis that was traveling approximately 140 miles an hour. Trooper Hood tried to make contact. They got into a pursuit, and Hood passed away from a car wreck. The Trans Am was modified with nitrous for racing. Will Francis was free on the earned release program as of March 5th, 2013. He was supposed to serve 40 years, but 33 years was suspended. He only served 7 years. Family was not notified prior to release, which they should have been. If you or anybody you know is worried about somebody's release, there is a system called vinelink.com. You'll see a thing right here that would be talking about it. You can sign up for that. That'll let you know if somebody's going to be released soon. If you don't mind, hit the like button. It don't cost you nothing. Everything I do is free to you. Also subscribe, hit the bell, so you can be notified when more videos are released. Thank you. Have a good day.